Hi everyone, I'm Kian.
And I'm E. In this video, we will be showing you the apparatus that we will be using for absorption process in a future video.
The setup for this apparatus is not actually very complicated, and we will walk you through each part of the apparatus later on. The entire glassware has a modular setup with various interchangeable parts. Before each experiment, one needs to think about what parameter we want to measure and how we are going to measure it. Then connect the pieces together, just like in Lego toys.
In this video, we will be performing hydraulic tests using DI water and nitrogen gas. The purpose of the hydraulic test is to establish the optimum operating conditions for absorption process to take place. For example, what gas flow rate and what liquid flow rate should we use to have the most efficient absorption?
Starting at the top, we have an entrance for adsorbent here. In this case, water for this particular experiment. Water entered at the top will flow down through the column. On the other side, we have a pressure sensor probe here to measure the pressure at the top of the column. The opening at the top of the column is for the venting of the lean gas. In our case here, nitrogen to the atmosphere.
Now, if you look at the middle of the column, we have a metal packing called ProPack fill up the absorption columns to facilitate the absorption process. This is 0.16-inch ProPack packing, which is half cylinder in shape with two corner bends outwards. It provides a large surface area, which is approximately 1,900 square meter per cubic meter for interfacial mass transfer during absorption. Moving downwards, we have an entrance for the gas, in this case nitrogen here. Nitrogen gas enter at the bottom here will flows up to the top through the column. On the other side, we have another pressure sensor probe to measure the pressure at the bottom of the column. As you can see now, the water flows down and nitrogen gas flows up through the packing in the column.
Below the column, we have a special glassware called sump, which is to collect the water flows down from the column and keep a steady, more or less constant liquid level. There is a level sensor at the glassware, which is to detect the level of water in the glassware. When the water level reaches the limit, the valve at the bottom of the glassware will be triggered to drain the water away to the tank.
Our column is instrumented. The first meter at the top left reads the pressure difference between the top and the bottom of the column in kilopascal. Below the pressure meter, there is a temperature panel which shows the temperature reading when needed. We also have a meter on the right side which measures the flow rates of the water, and below them there is a nitrogen gas meter which measures its flow rate.
So this is the end of our video for this episode. Thank you for watching.
We hope you now have a better understanding of the column structures and operations. Stay tuned for the next episode of video.